Okay, today I want to show you an architecture with a product called Velero, an open source product. And the goal is to be able to backup restore Oracle Kubernetes engine. Velero is a famous product for backup and restore on Kubernetes. And if you do a search on CNCF landscape, okay, you will find this product here. My architecture is running on Oracle Cloud, and I am going to describe this architecture in order to explain you how to do a backup restore with OKE on OCI. Okay, you can see on the left, the region is Paris. This is a primary region. On the right, the region is Marseille. This is a standby region. I have an OKE cluster on Paris, and I have an OKE cluster on Marseille. On Marseille, sure, I can have only one node because I don't need power to run pods if I didn't do the restore before. On Paris, this is a primary site, so I have more worker node, more pods. I have two applications. One stateless application is Oracle REST Data Service that is working with ATP. And one stateful application, this is mySQL DB. This mySQL DB is stateful and put data with persistent volume claim on OCI block volume. You can see first, I install Velero server in OKE in Paris, and I use the AWS S3 plugin because you can put and get object from OCI bucket using the S3 API. So using the Velero client that will connect to the Velero server in OKE, so the Velero client could be everywhere on your laptop or on a VM or somewhere else. You can do a Velero backup, and then you put the backup in the bucket myVelero in Paris. And if you want to do a restore, you can do a Velero restore. And it's okay. Then it's a backup restore locally. Now you can see that I put an automatic replication from the bucket myVelero in Paris to the bucket myVelero in Marseille. I want to be able to do a disaster recovery. It means backup, remote, not locally, but restore remotely in Marseille. Here, due to the replication, this bucket is only with a read option. It means I cannot insert data in this bucket because it is a replicated bucket coming from Paris. So what I need to do, if I want to do the restore, I need to replicate, to copy this one to another, and to do the restore from this other bucket that is open to write, okay? Because when Velero is doing a backup, she creates the file for backup on OCI, and when Velero does restore, she put the result on the bucket. And so that's why I want to use myVelero MRS for Marseille, open for write, because I want to get the result of the restore from Velero. Okay? To do the replication, I can use a tool, very famous tool, rclone, very easy to clone a bucket myVelero to myVelero MRS. Okay. Now, the ATP, you can see, is in a primary standby mode. It's a data guard, it's a standard. It's very easy to do a switch here because it's completely managed by the autonomous service. Then I used over this architecture full stack disaster recovery OCI. Okay, because it's nice. It's a nice product with Oracle DB, with VM, with load balancer, and soon maybe we will have the feature for OKE. Okay, but today it's not in general availability for the moment, but soon. So that's why I prefer using Velero, and I prefer including the script of Velero on full stack there. That's why I created a specific VM primary for Velero script. On this VM, Velero is installed, Airclone is installed, and OCI, the command line interface of the cloud, is installed. Okay, so I have the VM primary here and the VM standby here. During the switchover from Paris to Marseille with OCI full stack DR, I will have some step, ATP switchover. So Marseille will become the primary and Paris the standby. VM primary stop, VM standby, VM primary stop, VM standby start, run other script. You can see what is doing the script. The script, OCI CLI, increase the number of nodes of the OKE cluster in the standby region because I want to really deploy now and I want to be able to run all my pods on this OKE cluster. Second test, clone, do a replication of the good backup of Velero. So rclone, my Velero bucket to my Velero Marseille. And then step 3, restore here from my Velero Marseille. Everything is managed from OCI full stack DR. I just click on the button failover or switchover, and everything will be automatic, and I will see the result of this bash script log in full stack DR console. Okay, so that's why the integration with Velero and full stack DR is quite nice. Okay, because you can manage everything, and full stack DR is like something able to ordinance some orders to the left, to the right. So it's a nice product. Okay, so this is the architecture. Want to show you now the result. But before, you must not. ORDS is configured with a failover configuration. It means ORDS can connect to the ATP that is started. ORDS don't mind which ATP is started. If it's on Paris, it's okay. If it's on Marseille, it's okay. I will show you the configuration. Okay. Second point, I use for here ORDS images in our OCI registry, but you must note that our OCI registry is specific of a region. It means the image of ORDS begins with CDG OCI.io in Paris and begins with MRS OCI.io in Marseille. So during the restore, I need to change the name of the image of ORDS from CDG to MRS. And for that, Velero is super nice because Velero has a concept of resource modifier, and it will do that automatically. Okay. Now, if you are using a global registry, like for example Docker Hub, you don't need to change the name of the image when doing the restore. And sure, it's most easy. Okay, it's easier to do that. Nevertheless, OCI registry is collocated with OKE, and so it's very nice to be collocated because it's very fast for OKE to get the images from OCI registry in Paris and from OKE Marseille to get the images from OCI registry in Marseille. Okay, now I can show you the result. Okay, this is my Kubernetes in Paris on the left, my Kubernetes in Marseille on the right. You can see load ORDS. This is the pod that is running for ORDS. Ooh, super nice. And the same pod was restored on Marseille. It's running. You can see my stateful pod, mySQL, in Paris, and you can see my stateful pod here in Marseille that is restored. Okay. If here I can see ORDS in Paris, it's running. Okay. ORDS in Marseille, it's running. Okay. Now I have two connections on the two MySQL DB. MySQL DB in Paris. Okay, it's running. You can see a specific schema that I created before with a table, and I put the data in this table in order to be able to check on Marseille. Oh, nice. I have the same schema and I have the same line in the table pets. So I really restore the MySQL DB from Paris to Marseille, and I lost no data. Now, be careful. What you see is that the data of MySQL are on a block volume. And so Velero will do a copy of this block volume and restores it for block volume on Marseille. But this is a stateful product, and you have transaction. And so maybe you can have problems doing that instead of using standard tool, for doing backup and restore of MySQL. On OCI, you are lucky. You have MySQL services, no need to do that. And you have PostgreSQL services, no need to do that. You have Oracle DB services, no need to do that. We are managing all the backup and restore. It's better. If you put a product like MySQL in OKE, so you can restore and backup it with Velero, but at the end, you have a risk to have a corruption of the DB. So what could be nice is with Velero, you have a feature with pre-hook, and a pre-hook is a command that you run before doing the backup. And what you can do is just on the pre-hook, doing a MySQL dump, put that on an OCI bucket, and in case of when you will restore MySQL on the standby region, if you have a problem, generally not, but you will have the standard dump with the tool officially supported by MySQL in order to restore your MySQL DB. So you have a second option to protect you in case of a kind of failure, because copying disk like that with product stateful like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and so on, it is a risky operation. Okay. Second point, you can see the PVC here on Paris of the MySQL DB was restored PVC on Marseille. If I have a look to the pod for ORDS, I can see that in Paris, I am using the image CDG OCR, blah, 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 my ODS. But in Marseille, I am using the image MRS OCR IO, blah, 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 my ODS. Super nice. How I did that? This is my deployment here. In Paris, I am using the CDG image, but doing the restore with Velero on Marseille, I used this resource modifier, and as you see, for pods, I change here the name of the image, CDG, to MRS. And that's why it's running well. Okay, nice. You can do that too if you are using specific block volume storage in YAML 5 for Kubernetes, a specific class for storage. You can update it from the primary cluster if the second cluster is not at the same place. For example, you are doing a backup restore from OCI in Paris to Azure in Marseille. Okay? And you can use a modifier to modify the storage image used by the PVC. Okay. And now, Autonomous DB, okay, with MRS, ici, standby. To do the demo, I didn't put the DB in the DR group because I don't want to go back and to restore. I know that it's running super well. Okay. Bucket in Paris, my Velero backup. Now in Marseille, okay, I have the same bucket here, my Velero backup. Perfect. This part here, this is the data of MySQL. And it is a destination bucket in Marseille. I cannot write on it. That's why I prefer to work the Velero restore on another bucket. Okay, the other bucket is my Velero here, Marseille, my Velero Marseille, backup that was copied from my Velero, and the restore. To restore, why? Because I start Velero get restored in Marseille. I got a partially failed because I forgot to change the name of the image of ORDS. And so I created the resource modifier. And after that, it was okay. Okay. DR group here, OKE. So I did the switchover. Now OKE is standby and not primary. If I go to Marseille, okay, Marseille here, switch over, execution, switch over, okay. I can have a look to Velero here, script, view log. I have the log. Okay, to see the complete log, I can click on download the log. If I click on download the log, you can see the result. Airclone test, it's okay. Then Velero test, it's okay. Then OCI CLI test, it's okay. So as you can write the script, bash script that you want, you can use full stack DR to do what you want if full stack DR is not able to take care about one component on OCI. So you are using full stack DR with Autonomous DB, Oracle DB, VM, load balancer, okay? And if you want to add a product, you can just add a script bash, okay? Just to show you the configuration of ORDS, as you can see, I have a failover configuration. It means I have a description for ATP primary and description for ATP standby. And that's why my ORDS will connect to the ATP that it started. Never mind if the ATP is in Paris or in Marseille. So it's very easy to use that. Okay. Okay. Thank you for your attention. As you see, I can easily do a backup restore locally on OKE and do a backup restore remotely, so a DR with Velero. Sure, you can use other products like Rackware Swift, and you have other products that you can use. We have an image of Rackware Swift on our marketplace, but you must pay. And you can use the products that you want, and you can integrate it with OCI Full Stack DR as you want. Thank you very much for your attention.